Hello, friend. You are welcomed to our beautiful channel Physics with Piketty. We are discussing a trick regarding to integration. Okay, we are discussing this type of format 1 upon x minus 2x plus 3, 1 upon x minus 4x plus 5, 1 upon x plus 2x minus 3. Okay, this type of formats you have seen in many ways. Okay, so these formats takes the lot of time, but we are discussing a very special trick regarding to these questions. Okay, regarding to these questions, and we solve this question very immediately within 2 seconds. Okay, what you only take the time for writing, not only thinking. Okay, not only thinking. So what is the trick? So firstly, I solved this question by long method. Okay. So let's start. Okay. Let's start. Firstly, we know. Firstly, we know that 1 upon x minus 3, 1 upon x plus 5 is a function. We have break down this function x minus 4, x plus 5 equal to 1 upon x minus 4 plus v upon x plus 5. Okay, we break this function by this format and solve this function. We get the value of a and b, then we putting this values, then we integrate this function. Okay, so now let's try to solve this question. 1 upon x minus 4, 1 upon x minus 4, x plus 5 equal to, we can multiply these and this and this and this. A multiply 5 plus x plus 5 and v multiply by x minus 4. Oh, and x minus 4 x plus 5 is the LCM of this friction. Okay, LCM of this friction. X minus 4 and x plus 5 is cancelled to each other. Then we get 1 in this side, and a x plus 5 plus v x minus 4 of v x minus 4. Why? By putting the value of x and y, we get the values of a and v. When x equal to 4, x equal to 4, okay, put 1 equal to a 4 plus 5, a 4 plus 5 plus v 4 minus 4 equal to 0. This term will be 0 and 4 plus 5 9. So a will be this 9, 4 plus 5 9, 1, so 1 by 9. The value of a is 1 by 9. The value of a is 1 by 9. Now put put in this equation x equal to minus 5, x equal to minus 5. This will be 1 equal to minus 5. This will be 0. This will be 0 plus v minus 5 minus 4 minus 9. Minus 5 minus 4 equal to minus 9. Minus 9v. This will be minus 9b. So then v will be 1 upon minus 1 upon 9. The value of a will be 1 upon 9, b will be minus 1 upon 9, and we put this value in this function. A equal to 1 upon 9, b equal to minus 1 upon 9. Okay, so let's put this value in this function. Put this value in this function. For I remove this, okay, and we putting the value of a and b. Okay, in this function a equal to हमारी a equal to 1 by 9 and v equal to minus 1 by 9. put this value in this function. Okay, so then 1 upon x minus 4 x plus 5 equal to a equal to 1 by 9, 1 by 9, 1 upon x minus 4, 1 upon x minus 4. Okay, plus v equal to minus 1 by 9. This will be minus 1 by 9, 1 upon x plus 5, 1 upon x plus 5. Okay, 1 upon x plus 5. Let's integrate this function. Let's integrate this function. This will be the integration of this function. This term is constant 1 by 9, and this, and the integration of this function is equal to log x. So log, where x is equal to x minus 4. Okay, assume x is equal to x minus 4. X minus 4. This will be minus sign 1 upon 9 log. This will be x plus 5. X plus 5 plus c is the constant. C is the constant. So 9 will be the common. 1 upon 9 will be the common. We get in the bracket log x minus 4 minus of log x plus 5. Okay, log x plus 5 plus c. This is the property of log. Log k minus log p equal to a upon b, log a upon b. Okay, so this will be 1 upon 9 log a x minus 4 upon b x plus 5 plus c. This is the integration of the function. This is the integration of the function. By using this method, we can easily find the integration of the given function. But by our trick, we can solve this type of question within seconds. Okay, let's try. Okay. Okay, the answer of this question is this. Okay, and everything I remove. Okay, and our trick, we are discussing our trick, wonderful trick, a special trick for this type of question. Okay, trick. A special trick. If we integrate the function of x plus a, x plus x minus v, this type. Okay, x plus a, x minus v, this type function. Okay, we have the integration of this function by trick. The trick is a and v, add a and v, a plus v, but we take the magnitude of a plus v, log small over big, small over big. A small value will be this, because x minus v is smaller than x plus a. It increase x is increase plus a, x is decrease v. Okay, so by applying this trick, the answer will be, the question is 4 plus 5 equal to 9. 1 upon 9 log small will be this negative, this x minus 4, and this will be big, x plus 5. Okay, plus c is the constant for any integration. C is the constant of this, of the integration for any integration. Okay, and this answer comes from the long method, and this answer by our trick. Okay, I think this is the very impactful trick for this questions. Okay, let's do this question. 1 upon x plus 2, 1 upon x plus 2 x minus 3. Okay, 2 plus 3 5, 1 upon 5 log 1 upon 5 log small will be this, big will be this, x minus 3 upon x plus 2 plus c. This is the final answer for this question. We can solve varieties of these type of questions by using the tricks. Okay, by using this very special tricks. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe our channel for this type of tricks. Thank you.